What's up, folks? Honey's Morning Update, June 6th. Overnight low, 4104 half. Overnight highs, 156 half. We are currently at 153.75. We're up about 45 points. Another 45 up to 90 would, take us up into the 2,000 range, 92,000 range. 88, 87 is kind of the level I'm looking at for top side. Above that would be 4202, 4205 for a top end channel. I'm still watching the 4229 level for an over under. If we get above that, we could get, and settle above that. I would say the bulls would be in control. 142 is going to be my pivot today. It is the close from Friday. We'll go to the SPX levels. Actually, currently, which is odd, the euro's starting to break back down. They had a little bit of a hike up there, so I would watch that. This is coming down now. Cash gap on SPX from 42, which is the level I just posted. ES and SPX are just about the same now because we're about to roll into the next month or next contract month for ES. So when we roll, it's 10 wide, and then it narrows as we go down. And that's just cost of carry with a futures aspect of it. We can get into that at another time. But right now it's only a point or two off, maybe a point. So they're pretty. My ES levels are pretty in junction with SPX levels. So 42 to 77 is that next cash cap. Right now we'd be opening up in the middle of it. So I would look for initial target of 77. We get above that, then we hit the 88, 89. Then 202, 205, and then 29, 30 would be the next upside. We also do have a gap downside from 73 to 57, so I would look at that. So we're kind of in the middle again of this range. I'm going to have to extend that range from 4070. It was 4070 to 4170. I'm going to put that up to 86, 88. So 4070 still is if that level breaks, that would be the third time we test it, and I think that we probably head down low. Obviously 96, 97 is going to be an area of battle. So I would be surprised today if we get below that. So I would watch the 96, 97 level. If we go back below that, we'll test the 72 level again. If they don't defend it, then we start to head back down. Bulls are doing a great job this morning getting everything up. If we, if we open up above 42, then I think I would be cautiously bullish. We will see. I know everyone's talking about the Amazon split. We'll watch that to see if interest comes in. I think it's $1 something higher right now. Good news out of China from lockdowns being lifted. And Europe now is talking down inflation, so they're trying to pump up that euro. So, but that's not going well because we're kind of heading down. This is the hourly chart. So I'd watch that euro still. If this continues to go down, it should put a cap on the upside, but we will watch that. Again, we should be opening up around 41.60, so it's only 17 points to fill that gap. But if we open up there, we're going to have a lower gap to 42, making 42 important again. So that 42 level is really what I'm going to be watching today. Other than that, I don't really like the price action today, so please be careful. This thing can go either way. I think that we've seen the first breakout orb is catching people, so I honestly think you might want to wait just to see where this really trends up. If we shoot up straight out of the gate and hit 4205 or at least 88, 80 or 86, 88, maybe test the 89. I would think about a CCS, but again we risk trend day as well. I don't know. I'm cautious today because I just don't really have a feel for this. It's an odd weekend. A lot of news coming out, and it's just kind of whatever. 4107, 4104. This level 2 is going to be is pretty crucial. So downside, I would watch that the overnight low 4107, and then 44 or 104 half. Then 96, 97. 80 is going to be another level that I think would probably be defended before the 70. But initially, if we get back down here, I think they'll test the 72 again. We'll see if they defend it this time. Again, we're up, so I don't know. It's just kind of an odd, wonky morning. Mondays are tough because there's all the news from the weekend was digested. So anyway, 42 is going to be that key level. Let's go on the hourly. Look at the pivots. Your pivot's 41.31, which is fine. 41.66, which is just under your 70 level, and then 42.24, which is 5 below my 29. Look at that. Your S1's at 40.74, so that's right in line with the 70.72 level that's hit twice. So here's your double bottom, your reaction up, come down. So that's your 96 level. And then we've headed up. Now, do we continue back down? I don't know. On the hourly, you've crossed bullish with the 9 and 30. So we'll see if that continues to trend or not. As of now, it stands in a bullish. But again, anything can change. Watch your times to 11:30 to noon and 2 p.m., then 3 p.m. That's typically when price actions change. So even if you wait till the European close to put in a spread, again, just that's fine. Just be cautious of that opening range breakout because a lot of people are getting clipped on that. And so if that's not working, we need to stop using it and kind of back up and look and see maybe there's another. But again, it could work today. I don't know. This market structure is odd. I don't really have a feel for it right now just because we're kind of in the middle. Anyway, so that's about all I got. Good luck to you. I'll be in the chat all day. All right, bye.